Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna briefly show you the office that we recently did. This is one of the offices in Manhattan, and we are installing here privacy window film, and you can see guys here in the process of installation, and I'm taking the video, taking some pictures. And so the story is it's a large office, and they were choosing between different options of the film, and they stopped their choice on the 3M Cloud Narrow. So this, you see, this is like a gradient film. It's more opaque in the middle and going down to the bottom to be less opaque. It looks really nice, and right now guys pretty much installed everything. Okay, so they're preparing the next piece of film, peeling off the liner. In order to do that, sometimes we use our teeth. You have to make wet the film in the corner, peel it off, and you see that they're working in pairs. So the two of them, they have a laser to make sure that the film will be on the proper heights, everything nice and level. Okay, using the water. All right. They sprayed the glass. In the window film installation, the ideal option is to use as much water as you can. However, you have to also consider the environment. Not always it allows to spill the water. In this case, we have some covers, and the floors, I think it's a carpet or something like that. So I mean, I wouldn't say that they're using too much, probably just enough for the installation. Lining up the film, and right now squeezing out the water. Now T, it's a classic of window film installation. They made that T on the top, and right now nice strokes, even strokes from top to bottom. Very good, consistent work, just to make sure that they won't leave any moisture between the film and the glass. They taking time, not rushing. This one is pretty expensive window film, and I would say but it's pretty thick. It's not hard to work with it. Well, you see how nice and level everything is. Okay, now he's gonna pre-cut the excess. Sometimes we cut perfectly to the shape of the film, but not always it's the case. I don't know why they leave this mark. Probably just easier to do it like this. We're using a hard card as a guide, and cutting off. And here is how it looks. This is 3M Cloud Narrow. 3M Cloud Narrow. It was a pretty large project, a lot of glass, many doors, removing of the handles. Okay, and this is 3M Cloud. This one is 60 inch wide, 60 inch wide gradient. This conference room is still gonna get the destruction markers. This is glass alert markers, like an etched glass dots. We still gonna do it. And let's check back on that side. All right, So here is the markers, they already installed. 60 and 30 inches from the ground. This is all done by our company. Nice. Nice. The lobby. And this room is gonna be done with dusted crystals. It's gonna be full privacy from top to bottom. So we technically use 4 different films. It was 3M Cloud Narrow, dusted crystals, and destruction markers. Okay, this is also a room with destruction markers. Here's our base. Solar guard, that's for dusted crystal, and 3M Cloud. All right, thank you for watching. If you're looking for window film or window tinting for your office, please give us a call. Have a nice day.